Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to fix the Bluetooth not connecting in your HUAWEI MatePad 12X. So, at first, open the settings, and here open Bluetooth, like it's here. Now, when you are in the Bluetooth, you have to switch it off, like it's now. It has to be gray, like this, and then turn it on using just a simple click on this option. It has to be blue then. Now, when it's blue, I do recommend to unpair and repair your device in the Bluetooth. Here in available devices or connected devices, you should have the device that you are currently want to use, and you have to tap on this device and forget it. Now, if it still doesn't work, what I do recommend is to restart your device. Not reset, just a simple restart. So search for the power button, which is over here, and hold it. Here, tap power off and then power off again. Now we have to wait a couple seconds to have our tablet completely turned off. Then we have to hold the power button back again until we see the HUAWEI logo at the screen. As you can see, HUAWEI, we do have it here. Now, as you can see, our device is turned on, and what I do recommend to you now is to update your software to fix any connectivity bugs. As you can see, this OS is Harmony OS, so it may contain some bugs. So, at first, go to the settings, and here, scroll till you see the option called, wait one moment, it's over here, as you can see, system and updates. Here, tap on the software update over here, and here, tap checker updates. Of course, you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi network to do the update. As you can see, this is the latest version of the update. And here, Bluetooth works perfectly fine. Here we have some older version, I'll update it immediately. And that's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye!